let us discuss the two blood circulations. Well, in case of the blood circulation, in the heart the blood flows twice. So that is why we have double circulation of blood in the heart, because in this case the blood is going to flow twice. Now we have two types of blood circulation. We have pulmonary circulation and we have systemic circulation. Now the pulmonary circulation is short time, it is for a short time, so that is why it is short pulmonary circulation. And this systemic circulation is for a longer time, so it is long systemic circulation. Now short pulmonary circulation pertains to lungs, it pertains to lungs. Now it begins with the pulmonary artery, which is going to carry the deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle to the lungs. Okay, so it begins from where? It begins from, just remember, you have to remember this, begins from the pulmonary artery, from where? From the right ventricle, right? From the right ventricle. Now I told you that arteries generally carry oxygenated blood, right? But pulmonary artery is the artery that is going to carry deoxygenated blood. So this pulmonary artery is going to carry deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle, right? And it is going to take that deoxygenated blood to the lungs. It's going to take that blood to the lungs. Now in the lungs, the blood is going to get oxygenated. So in the lungs there is exchange of gases and the blood is going to become oxygenated, and after this what is going to happen next? The oxygenated blood is going to be carried by the pulmonary vein back to the heart, right? So I told you that veins generally carry deoxygenated blood, but pulmonary vein is the vein which is going to carry oxygenated blood. So from the lungs, when the blood is oxygenated, this is going to be carried by the pulmonary vein back to the heart. So this was about the pulmonary circulation that pertains to lungs, the short pulmonary circulation. Next, second type of circulation is a long systemic circulation, which actually pertains to the body. It actually pertains to the body. Now what happens? This long systemic circulation begins at aorta. It begins at aorta. Now aorta is going to send blood through many arteries to all the body parts. So this is how the long systemic circulation is going to take place. And after, when the blood reaches all the body parts, it is going to get deoxygenated, and that deoxygenated blood is going to be carried back to the heart, right? From the body parts. From where? From the body parts, the blood that has now become deoxygenated, it is going to be carried back to the heart. So since we have these two types of blood circulations, that is the short pulmonary circulation and the long systemic circulation, the blood flows in the heart twice. So that is why we term this circulation as double circulation. In human heart, we have double circulation, namely the short pulmonary circulation and the long systemic circulation. Remember from the word pulmonary that short pulmonary circulation is pertaining to the lungs and the long systemic circulation is pertaining to the body. In case of pulmonary circulation, what is going to happen? In this case, the pulmonary artery, it is going to carry deoxygenated blood, right? So it is there in the right ventricle to the lungs. Now what is going to happen in the lungs? In the lungs there is going to be gaseous exchange and the blood is going to be made oxygenated, and there the pulmonary vein is going to carry the oxygenated blood back to the heart. In case of the systemic circulation, we have aorta which functions the most. It is going to send blood by the arteries to all the body parts, and when it reaches the body parts, the blood becomes deoxygenated, and that deoxygenated blood is taken back to the heart, and from heart again by the pulmonary artery to the lungs, and from lungs the oxygenated blood by the pulmonary vein to the heart, right, and from the heart to all the body parts, from all the body parts back to the heart, right, and from the heart to the lungs for oxygenation. So, this process continues, and that is why the blood flows through the heart twice, means 2 times, pertaining to what? The double circulation in human